Welcome back to Ori Soaps and Bubbles. We have an exciting and hopefully helpful video for you today. As always, we are open to suggestions. If there is a soap you want us to make on our channel for you to see and for you to see the outcome, we will definitely do that. Just leave it in the comment section below. Thank you so much and always enjoy. Previously on Ori Soaps and Bubbles. Welcome to Ori Soaps and Bubbles. Once again, we're using the oils coconut, cocoa butter, and soy, and then our colors are green apple, brown, and golden yellow. Let's get to it so you can see exactly how this soap turns out. We're actually calling this the banana nut soap. See you on the inside. So I actually found the video footage and the sound is garbled. So I'm gonna have to figure out what the heck I was doing and then put it all together and tell you exactly how everything went together. Yay, y'all! Okay, so all that out, I'm actually measuring out the oils and everything that we're using here in order to make banana nut soap. And I'll be really sincerely honest with you, this is my very first cold process soap. I couldn't believe that I actually found the video footage because I hadn't taken it for so long, and I was like, oh my god, I can't find it, and I actually found it. So I did go ahead and I'm putting everything together and I'm measuring out everything, and I do have a new scale, as you can see. I'll do the unboxing. I think I got the unboxing video for this. Let me tell you, my videos were not going so great back then, or I shouldn't even say back then, still now today. And the reason it wasn't going as well as I planned is because what I was using to actually do my videos on, I actually lost a lot of video footage, or my other videos that I were putting together for you guys to see and for you to be an actual part of it, and it pretty much sucked that I lost it all. So a lot of this is sped up. A lot of everything that I was speaking about or saying is not in there, and don't use these pictures, by the way. They actually do not work. Trust me, they don't. I had it actually crack on me when I was doing my putting the lye solution thing together. It didn't crack on this one, but on one that I was doing after this, it cracked. So I already have some other pictures and stuff like that. But I was going through the daily motions of making soap here, and I remember this day like it was yesterday. It was extremely peaceful, and there was a lot of shalom, and there was a lot of rest in the house. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and put together this video, and hopefully everything works itself out. And I'll never forget, that's the first time I got that blender. I was like, oh, I got a new blender, stick blender there. I was so excited. Today was like happy day. And then I was measuring everything out. I was going back, writing everything down, and I was just so busy putting this soap together. Now, I was excited to share this soap with everyone because it was something I wanted to do. It was something I hadn't thought of doing before. And I was like, what if we do these colors and put them together? What is it going to turn out to be? You guys actually already saw me actually cut up banana nut. And it was in one of my previous videos that I actually cut the soap up. And hopefully I was doing everything right. And come to find out, as you'll see, I was doing everything right. I was doing it so right to the point where I was trying to get it into the mold like very fast, because it was setting up on me like super duper fast. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm actually adding the lye to the water at this point. I'm into the water. You could tell I'm excited right now by doing this video. I'm adding it to the oils. Oh my god, not to the water. Now I'm gonna separate the batter out very quickly here, or try to do my best anyway. And I was working with whatever tools I actually had. I didn't have a whole bunch of tools to go with it, and I was just trying my best to get it all in there. But I was so excited to actually be doing this that what did I do? I did something that was completely crazy. And I was like, oh, it's working. And then I almost dumped it on the floor. I was just too excited, you know, like a kid in the middle of the park or something, just enjoying themselves and having a lot of fun. And that was pretty much me overall. But I did enjoy this. I've learned a lot since this video, and I will make this soap again on camera. And when I make it again on camera, I'll make sure that maybe we'll do it live. Maybe we'll do that and just make it a live video, because it was so much fun doing this one and putting it together. So you're going to get a chance to see me do all of this part, and I'm going to see if I got some pictures to actually put the pictures up for you to see. If I don't have any pictures to put up for you to see, I'll make sure that I get some pictures, because I think I still have some of them around. Anyways, if you see this in my shop, once again, you know I've made it again. It is a great soap. It lathers up awesomely. And when I say awesomely, it really, really lathers up. It gave me exactly what I was looking for. What I was going for is just, I had no idea the batter would thicken up as fast as it did, or if I was going to be able to do any swirls or anything with it. And given this was my first time doing it, so I had fun. Oh, that was the other thing. I tried the garbage bag method to line my mold with, just to see how it would turn out and how things would come out to be. And it was completely amazing. Like, yeah. And I just had so much fun doing this. Anyways, back to my soaping. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I know it's pretty short, but I was excited that I actually had the video footage, and I was like, I'm gonna put up whatever I got just to share it so you guys see how I actually made it. That's after I got it all into the mold, and I tried to do a swirl in the middle. Okay, so I know the video has stopped and we ran out of time, but you know what? I'm glad that I shared it with you. See you guys next time on the next video. Later! Loved Ori Soaps and Bubbles video? Head down to the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get those notifications. Thumbs up or thumbs down if you like the video, and leave a review so that way we know what we can improve on. It's very much appreciated, and as always, have the most excellent day. Ori Soaps and Bubbles.